In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer Ethereum from Binance over to your MetaMask wallet. This is really easy and I'll cover everything in this video. So here we are on Binance. You can see I'm logged into my account and obviously you'll need to be logged in as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a new tab and I'm going to open my MetaMask wallet. To do that, I'm going to go to the extensions icon in the top right hand corner and then click on MetaMask. And that will open my MetaMask wallet here. The first thing I need to do is go ahead and make sure we are on the Ethereum network, which we are. We can then go to buy and then scroll all the way down. And we're looking for the direct deposit Ether option. So go ahead and click on view account and that will give you your Ethereum recipient address. This is your address to your MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and copy that. Then go back to Binance. And once you're logged in, go to wallets and then fiat and spot. Once you're here, you then need to find Ethereum. Maybe it's one of the top ones for you. If it isn't, just go ahead and search for it. Here is Ethereum. We then need to go to withdraw. We are withdrawing to a new address and we can then paste in our MetaMask wallet address here. Then go ahead and select the network. We are transferring Ethereum. So choose Ethereum ERC20. Then go ahead and choose how much Ethereum you want to transfer. Once you're happy with that, you can see you've got your Ethereum fee here. Just go ahead and click on withdraw. That Ethereum will then be sent into your MetaMask wallet.